You gotta learn to not complain. You gotta learn to ignore the mess. You gotta learn how not to stress. You gotta learn to watch your thoughts.
What's up, L.M.E gang? What's up? What's up? It's Grandma Faye. I'm back again today with another video. Guys, I got a package in the mail today. This is day 2 before my birthday. And I told y'all it's going to be my birthday get together. And this is what we're going to do. I'm now looking for something to open this big box. I've been waiting for stuff to do my hair with, to fix my ring up. And I've been fixing it up little by little. And this package came in today, and hopefully it's what I'm looking for. Okay? But right now I had a knife to open this up with. And okay, I found it. So I'm going to lay this box down. And we're going to go ahead and open it. I'm going to start from here and go all the way down. Before I hit that ring light. Yeah, guys, I'm here all alone. At home as usual. Whew. I'm going to be to knock some open in a minute, y'all. But, yeah. I got this big old package in the mail this morning. And I said, okay, I'm going to do me a box opening. I've been opening boxes all this time. So just stopping now. Okay. So, yeah. They got it taped up good. And it's from, I don't know. I tell y'all my kids just send me stuff I ask for. Everything seems like I ask for. I've been getting it. This one came away from Louisiana. From Daniel Mitchell. Which is my son. And I'm excited to get it. Let me close this up. How about that? I'm excited. Because I don't know what it is. But I don't have strength. But I do have strength. It's just taking more time than I want to. I'm excited and anxious to open it. So, it's trying to get it out. But the box says fragile, so whatever it is, it's fragile. So I gotta be careful, guys, with this big old box. Okay. I'm doing something. I'm getting something going here. Y'all can't see me open it, but trust me, I'm opening it. It's a big package. Let's see what's inside. I'm getting it. I told y'all. I ain't no quitter. Whew. Ooh, it's big. Let's see. What's inside? It's my trolley, y'all. It's my hair trolley. Okay. So I guess y'all gonna have to watch me put this together. It's supposed to be not hard to do, but we'll see. Got bowls and stuff. Oh, this is the directions right there. That's all I'm gonna need. Y'all know I don't like these directions. If you know me, you know Grandma Faye. Do not like reading if you ain't got to. And I said, ain't got to. I sure you did. If you don't have to. I said, right. Yeah. It look like the trash gonna go back in the box. But it gotta go back in the box. Because it gotta get rid of trash. My baby. But like I said, my birthday is November 7th. And I put in requests from different kids and what I want. And that's what they're doing. They are just sending it one by one, little by little, hump by hump. It's okay. But I'm going to read the instructions. Because I don't know what to do. Do I need screwdrivers or anything? It don't say that I do. It don't say that I do. Okay, let me take it out the bag like this. These are the drawers. Okay. It has 4 drawers to it. My bowl to go on top. I have some wheels. It says I should have the top part. The bottom part, I guess, is in here with the top part. Let's open this one. Let's see what it is. Okay, this is the top right here, and also the bottom. So, open it, lay it out, and here's another tray. Okay, they showing out these trays now. Okay, trash over here. It says hairdressing trolley. This is what I wanted. Thank you, Daniel. Mama love you. I bless you. Way from the L.A. You know. No, he not in New Orleans this time. He said he's in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Yeah, that's what they say. But yeah, thank God for the cheering. They love their mama. But we're going to celebrate my birthday at home maybe. I don't know. We'll see. But we're going to find out. Okay. This have 4 sides to it, I think. Or something. Because this is... Okay, now. Let's see. That's 2 pieces to 1 something. This 2 pieces to something. Okay. Alright. Let's see. I think this is the bottom and the top. But let me read. Let me look. One is dot. Thank you for purchasing the Yachi product. Yachi product can dedicate bring you the best shopping online. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drawers to it. Okay, so what I must do is build it first with this is number 1. Okay. Six and 4. Okay. I need 6 and 4. It's probably gonna be this and this. Yep. Okay. I have to put this some kind of way. I don't know. Who knows? I'll figure it out in a minute. I see where the wheels go. Okay, okay. far this goes, so that goes like that. Remember, I told you I figured it out. Okay. Okay. And then it says put this side on. See, I'm getting it. Make sure you're secured. Okay, and it's another side that gotta go on, which is this side, and it goes a little something like this. Okay, these gotta pop in too. Let's see which is which. That one thing, and here goes this one. Okay. So, this one goes in here, like so. last side in. Okay, and it's together. So far, I gotta put the top on and the wheels. Okay. I'm expecting this goes like so. Okay. I'm guessing now, y'all. I ain't look back at the picture, but I know the wheels go on here. Let me figure that out. And then when I put the wheels on, I'm good. Yeah. Wheels go at the bottom, right? So that's why I'm gonna put them at the bottom. Okay. Letting y'all see me assemble it. Then I'm gonna go in my room, my other room. Well, in my bedroom. And get my stuff that goes in the drawers. I'm gonna set them up too. Okay. Tell me who you know that assemble their own shelf without a man's help. Okay? I'm gonna wait for you to tell me who you know that can assemble their own stuff. Okay? Tell me who you know can assemble their stuff. Faye, Grandma Faye, anybody that try. I'm not a quitter. I'm a go-getter. So I'm gonna go get what I need and do what I gotta do for myself. I ain't gonna wait if I ain't got to. Okay? And bam. The legs on me. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Now, I gotta put the drawers in. Yeah. This is the... Oh, Lord, I got another one now. Let's see how these drawers go in here now. That's gonna be catch. Oh, no, they're not gonna go in easy. Okay. Y'all better quit showing out. Y'all better quit showing out with Grandma Faye. Look at here. That can't be right to go in there like that. That's too easy. That's too easy. Okay, it ain't the one I was looking for, but it'll do. It'll do. So I just want to put on my stuff in it. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And it's secure. And who did that? Grandma Faye. Yes. Can y'all see the trolley? It's together. I can put my hair dryer. I can do my hair wherever I want to now. I can travel all over the house and do that if I want to. But the thing was so that I can get all my stuff in here and bring it in my office. Well, I ain't gonna say office, in my girls' room. And chill over here. And now I'm done. Yeah. So, if y'all enjoyed watching Grandma assemble some things and you appreciate what I do, go ahead. I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. This is just a tutorial to teach you how you can do anything yourself. Amazon, y'all are amazing. That's why I call y'all Amazing. Amazon. Get with them, y'all. That's some good people. I love their products. So, my son sent this in. I told him what I wanted. I got it. I'm thankful. So, y'all have a good day, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, though. And if you like this content, give me a thumbs up. And tell me Grandma Faye assemble something else so we can see. Because just like you could do it, we could do it, okay? I love you guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace. Love you.
Here are some lessons you